All right, got a bare spot here. I got one here, and seed's not working. It doesn't seem anything's working for me, so I went and got myself 2 little sheets of sod here, and under $6. I'm just gonna make some plugs out of it. Now, I've looked up plugs online, and boy, those things are expensive. They can go from $70 to $200 for a pack of plugs of 70. And you can make a bunch out of this. You make 2-inch by 2-inch plugs here. From this pallet here, you could probably make, I don't know, good amount. So it'll be enough here to make a couple of holes. So just get a couple of easy tools to use to cut the sod with and to make some holes and plug it up. Put a whole bunch of plugs around about 6 inches to a foot apart, and you'll fill up this part of the yard real quickly. Probably about 3 weeks to a month. It'll just spread out. My yard takes Bermuda, and remember, when you get this sod, like right now, this is almost 24 hours old. So you need to get it in as quick as possible. I still got some green in there, so as you can see it's still alive, and I'll get it in there and plug it up. So here we go. All right, I've made a bunch of plugs here and holes. It's just as simple as this here. Making a good little hole there. Make your 2-inch plug there, put it in. Okay, there you go. And I got a whole bunch of plugs here all the way around, and then water it good. Give it a lot of moisture here. Like I said, 2-inch plug from a bunch of pallets of sod here, 2 of them, 2 little flats, and that was only under $6. I mean, this is the way to do it, folks. And before this in, it's gonna fill in. Let me show you a spot I filled in about a month and a half ago. All right, here's a spot here. It's right here. All this was opened up and it was nothing there. This is all done with plugs, and this is about a month and a half ago. And this section right here is probably about 3 weeks old, and there's one plug right there, a little bitty 2-inch plug. It's huge now, and a couple others have grown quite well, and they're filling in the spots. I'm gonna have to put another one right here and here. But as you can see, it works. It fills in the holes. So give it a shot, folks. It sure is cheap. Cheap is the way to go sometimes. Good luck, God bless, and works for me. Don't forget to give it a good soaking for 2 weeks every day. Every day, give it a good soaking for 2 weeks. Then you should be able to let it go for whenever your normal watering time.